To be having a lot of fun with our super nutritious and excellently yummy Eastern white pine, and we'll be making a however, if you were to peel some back or look deeply, wow, that was way zoomed in. And for your Eastern white pine, we can take a look and see. Give me a fascicle. Why are none of the fascicles working? Non-action, sorry! I need lipstick!
This is going in the bloopers.
Today, we, Hephaestus and I, are going to help. No! They already know what I'm doing! Redo!
Okay. Action.
Once you've done that, you can take a string, hold it up there, and my string has a little paper. You can decorate your paper if you want, but Now you staple, you hold it, fold the flap down so it makes a nice little square, and you can somehow, maybe, ta-da!
Ready when you are.
Okay. I don't know what I want people to do. Okay. Learn more about other foraging and wild edible drinks and coziness that you can do. Sorry, I thought that was a dog. It's a dog.
Cut. Bloopers. Another one for the bloopers reel.